How to hide online status on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app. On Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. If you're using an iPhone, tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Privacy, then select Last Seen and Online. Under the Who Can See My Last Seen section, choose the option that works best for you, such as My Contacts Accept, or Nobody. Now, under Who Can See When I'm Online, select Same as Last Seen. This ensures that your online status follows the same privacy setting you've chosen for your last scene. Once you've made your selection, WhatsApp saves the changes automatically. Keep in mind that if you hide your last scene and online status from others, you also won't be able to see theirs. That's it! You've successfully hidden your online status on WhatsApp. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, privacy settings, and easy tech guides.